Hi, how are you? I'm a mortgage broker. I'm based in Sydney, but I can serve anyone anywhere in Australia. Today I'm going to talk about if you have a low deposit, you have to pay lender mortgage insurance, but is it worth it? Okay? That's what I'm going to talk about, okay? Um yeah. So the firstly, I'll talk to you about what qualify as a okay, same, you know, what lender mortgage insurance is. If you don't have 20%, there's a bit of risk for bank to lend you, so you have to pay mortgage insurance that lender need to have, okay, on behalf of lender. Okay, so the larger the loan amount, the lower the deposit you have, the more you pay for the insurance. Okay, so if you have 8.5% 8.5% as a saving, you know that's minimum you need to buy a home. If you have 8.5% of the property value as your saving, that's the minimum you need to buy a home any day of the week, plus stamp duty, of course. But instead of 8.5%, if you have about 10%, the lender mortgage insurance is much cheaper than 8.5%. Okay, but if you only have 5%, lender mortgage insurance is like another 4.7%. So it's not worth it for you to buy if you only have 5% deposit. Okay, you can get it, but mortgage insurance is too expensive. Okay, okay. So that's the minimum. Okay, but if you have like 15% and you are the first home buyer, there's some bank they don't charge you mortgage insurance. And if you belong to specific professional industry like lawyer, doctor, accountant, then you only need 10% deposit and you don't pay any lender mortgage insurance with some major banks. But different banks have different selection criteria, so you have to qualify. There's a different qualification for different banks. Okay, so it's best to come to us because there's 40 banks and you get confused. It's not worth your time. Okay, and if you have a parental guarantee where your parents put their house on second mortgage to guarantee your loan, then you don't need, you have no deposit, but you don't pay lender mortgage insurance either. Okay, but there are some situations, even if you have 20%, you still pay lender mortgage insurance. And these situations are if you are self-employed with no up-to-date financials, or you want to buy multi-million-dollar property, or you want to buy a unit with living space under 50 square meter, or you are a temporary resident, or you want to buy service apartment, or you want to buy student accommodation, or you want to buy multiple property on one title, the example a few townhouses under one title, then even if you have 20% deposit, you still pay lender mortgage insurance. Okay, so lender mortgage insurance is a cost to you, but only once off upfront cost. Bank will lend you, but then the loan that you can actually use towards the purchase of the home reduce because of the insurance cost. Okay, and that insurance cost is not transferable. So say you have 10% deposit and you buy first home, but before you build up 20% equity, you want to change bank, then you have to pay insurance again. Okay, so because different bank. Okay, but same banks, you just top up the loan. You might pay extra bit, a little bit more, but then you don't pay it again if it's the same bank. Okay. All right. So yeah, there's some cost if you don't have 20%, but if you wait, the cost is higher because decent property in major city, the price go up many 10,000, 10,000 multiplied by a digit, um, every year. So if you wait because you don't have 20%, then price go up a lot every year, so you never catch up. Okay, so it's best for you to buy with minimum 8.5% any day of the year. But then if you have 10%, a little bit more, you save a lot on land and mortgage insurance. Okay. I think this tip will help you or your friends, family, and relatives. If it does, please, I ask you to please like and share it. I really appreciate it. All my contact details are in the post. You know, yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a good night. Okay. Thank you. Bye.